Today I'm going to show you how to download an order invoice from Amazon. This is particularly useful when you need a receipt for business expenses, returns, or just to keep track of your purchases. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, sign into your account. You'll need to enter your credentials to access your order history. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Orders. This will take you to a page displaying all your recent purchases. Now, I don't have any orders in my account right now, but I'll walk you through the next steps so you know exactly what to do. Once you're on the Orders page, you'll see a list of all your Amazon purchases. Search for the specific order you need an invoice for. You can scroll through the list or use the search filters to narrow down your results by date or item name. When you find the order, click on it to open the full order details page. On this page, you'll see various information about your purchase, including the items ordered, shipping address, and payment method. Look for a button or link labeled Invoice or View Invoice. Click on this option and it will open your invoice in a new window or tab. Depending on your region and the type of order, you might see options like Printable Order Summary or Invoice. If these appear, select the one that suits your needs. Next, you'll want to save this invoice to your computer. Look for an option that says Print this page for your records, or you can use your browser's built-in print function. Usually, you can access this by pressing Ctrl and P on Windows or Command and P on a Mac. This will open the print dialog box. Here's where you'll actually save the invoice as a PDF rather than printing it on paper. In the print window, look for the destination or printer drop-down menu. From there, select Save as PDF. This converts your invoice into a digital file that you can store and share easily. Finally, click the Save button. Your computer will prompt you to choose a location where you'd like to download the PDF. Pick a folder that makes sense for you, maybe something like Documents or Downloads, and confirm the save. Your invoice is now safely stored on your device and ready to use whenever you need it. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your Amazon order invoice as a PDF. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.